Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku or puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Friday, February the 19th, 2021. The third Sudoku or puzzle is a binary puzzle. This one will be number 2, 3, 5, 5. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 3 O's, so the fourth O must be here because the ones should be there, because I cannot place the O here or there, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in this column, so the O should be here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest are ones. Alright, a double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Well, this column and that column, we need to compare. It's almost the same. Empty box, empty box, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3 ones, 3, 3. 1. Yes, this row and that row. Look, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, empty box, 1, 1. Yes, we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare. Yeah. This one and the last one. 1 1 O O O O 1 1 O O empty box 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2. Oh, apologies. Almost finished. And my oh. Alright. Apologies. Okay. Bumped to my tripod. Almost finished. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Yes, finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one, aka Sudoku in Japanese. See you then. Bye bye for now.